I sometimes imagine that my sound system is emitting a sound wave, and that everybody is kind of jacking into that, is connecting to that sound wave, and we're all on that same wavelength, and you feel that connection from a large group of people. It is so powerful.
The ephemeral nature of music is what makes it so incredible and precious. It's a little moment in time and a place. That's what records are all about. You can revisit those places.
Come on, dance with me.
Anybody who goes to see a show with a musician they love comes away loving that artist even more. The people want to emotionally, personally connect with the person creating the art.